So I just recently changed my tires, and I had to balance them, obviously. So got a little bit of the residue left off the sticky weights that was on there before, sticky weight. So I wanted to show, I kind of already started doing it, and then I was like, oh, that's a good video. So you can see my bike is filthy. I've ridden like 1,500 miles or something since I replaced the tire, and so haven't washed it and hadn't gotten a chance to remove that residue. So we're going to do that. So basically I found that I put just a smallest squirt of WD-40 on there, and I took one of these plastic razor blades, but I think even without the plastic razor blade, just with a normal plastic scraper, I think you would get this. Worst case scenario, use your fingernail, but WD-40 does the trick. So we'll see if I can hold the camera and peel it at the same time. So as you can see, the part right there looked just fine, and with this plastic scraper it shouldn't really be much of a problem. I think with WD-40 you want to be careful not to get it on the tire itself. Looks like I got a drip of something there, but I gotta wash the bike anyway, so we'll get that cleaned off. So thanks for watching.